6:45 a.m. going to the lake. Going to the north side of the lake, Russell Park. I'm going to put in at Russell Park. The wind is really calm, really nice. Last Sunday the wind was blowing me everywhere. The wind is really calm right now. It may be 2 miles an hour, which is wonderful. I've got a new kayak paddle. My other one was a little bit short at 87 inches. I've got a newer one that's it's about 238 centimeters, about 94 inches. I'm going to try that and see how it goes. Well, I decided I better get my phone out. I caught a little bass a while ago on a plastic, a Zoom plastic. I couldn't get my camera out. It was in the storage below, so I figured I better get it out. Maybe I'll catch some more bass. Beautiful morning, really calm, really nice, beautiful. Had to take a quick break. Had to go over here behind the bushes, take a little break.